Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you why you should have a blog for your business, and you should start it this year if you don't have one already. But before I do, please give this video a like and a subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. So a blog is simply a traffic source, just like social media. You are using a blog simply to go to your offers. Like social media, you're simply using social media to go to your offers. So with that, the number one reason why you should have a blog for your business is that it can be found on Google. It can be found on Yahoo, Bing, any search engine. You can't say that for social media. When someone is searching for something, it's usually a blog that's going to come up. So number two is going to be, it is a very passive income, because when you are found on Google and you have your offers on your blog, especially when it's affiliate offers where you don't even have to handle the fulfillment or customer service, it is very passive. You can make the sale without having to do anything. You've already established your blog way down the road, or you've already established your blog a long time ago, right? Someone finds you 5 years later. If your offers are on your blog, then you can make the sale. If you have a ton of traffic, you can make multiple sales in a day or an hour even. And there's also different ways to monetize a blog. Now I have a video on that you can check out. So it's not just affiliate offers. You can have your own products, membership, etc., etc. Number three is going to be that it is digital real estate. We've already talked about how it can be found on Google or any other search engine out there now. The reason why it's a digital real estate is because I'm comparing it to like a real estate in real life, where you can make monthly recurring income through like a tenant who's paying for their rent. The same goes with the blog, because if you are getting constant traffic onto it, like I said, you're going to be making a lot of money. If you're doing affiliate programs, then there's different ways to make the money, right? It could be like recurring commission, high ticket sales, and it's just going to be coming as long as you have that traffic. The difference between real life real estate versus digital real estate is that in real life, you're spending so much money acquiring a property that only makes a certain cap per month if you're doing long-term rental. Now with blogging, there is no cap into what you can make. The investment in money for a blog is very little compared to a property in real life. Number four is that a blog has the potential to make a ton of money for very little investment. All you need is going to be your web hosting to get started and your domain. So right there is going to be about $50, and the income that you can make could no cap onto it. Some people are making even 100K a month with their blog, and it's very passive. So it's a great way to make income. Number five is that blogging is very behind the scenes. So if you don't like being in front of people, being in front like on social media, well, blogging is the way to go, because you spend your time writing your blog posts or doing some backlink search engine stuff, or even just pinning on Pinterest. You don't need to be constantly going on social media and talking every single day. With blogging, like we said, if you write an article, it's a very evergreen, where someone can find you on Google based on the problem that they have and the solution that you have on your blog for them. Number six is that you can be your own boss with a blog. And what I mean by this is, like, sure, everyone says that they're their own boss when they have a business, right? But if you are a service-based business, I know when I was freelancing that I wasn't the boss anymore, because I had to cater to my clients. Now, with a blog, you don't need to be doing a service based business with it. You can simply create your offers or sell your affiliate products, and you're not answering to anyone with it. Even then, you're probably hiring people to work for you to help you with your blog once you have it established and you have your systems in place. Number 7, why you should start a blog is because you can house all your ideas on a blog. So if you have a certain thing you want to do, you can put it on your blog. You want to sell a certain thing, put it on your blog. Sell this other thing on there, put it on your blog. Because if you're just running your business on social media, then people can't really find all the products that you have to offer. With a blog, they can. Number 8, why you should start a blog is because you are passionate about your topic. So whatever niche you are in, you're an expert at it and you can talk all kinds about it. So what better way to do that than having a blog rather than posting all the time on social media, right? Where you're not going to be found. But if you are writing that piece on a blog and someone's searching, then they can find you. So it's a better way to create your post in a blog than through social media, because once you post on social, obviously the feed goes down, never to resurface again until you post the same content again, versus very evergreen with a blog. Your stuff can be found for years to come, and all the reasons that I mentioned, it all correlates with each other to making passive income. So why wouldn't you want to start a blog, right? So if you haven't started your blog, or you don't have one yet for your business, or you don't even have a business yet, I have a link down below on how to get started setting up your blog and everything. And I have some other articles on my blog where you can start. And I have some other articles within this channel and on my blog more about it if you want to learn more. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you found it helpful and you want to learn more about digital marketing and entrepreneurship, please give this channel a subscribe.